Hello and welcome to another update video about Jasmy. On the Jasmy chart, we are still looking at actually potential bull flag, you could even call it, I think. It's actually quite a nicely looking one, I have to say. And for me, obviously, after we started this C wave here to the upside, on the 15th of August, or no, middle of August, not the 15th, I think around the 18th. Since we started this C wave to the upside, we've been tracking here this potential impulse, actually it is, to the upside. And we have seen 5 waves up in wave 1. Okay, so that could count as a leading diagonal. We have 3 waves up in 1, 3 waves down in wave 2, 3 waves up in 3. Okay, and that's how it continues basically. Then this wave 2 pullback, and the third wave, as it usually is the case, was a strong rally, typically the strongest in a cycle. So what I'm looking at still here is another 4-5 pattern to complete it, because we have the wave 1, we have the wave 2, we have the 3. The 4 now gets a bit long, but it's actually still looking okay, I think, when we look at the, just looking at the proportions and compare waves 2 and waves 4, just structurally, that looks okay to me. The wave 2 was also a sharp correction. Okay, so it looks like a zigzag correction, and the wave 4 looks like a sideways correction. It goes down a bit. I mean, it's a correction, but we have this high B wave, or it's called an X wave here on this chart. So typical flat correction, but as a WXY. That's the idea at the moment. Okay, so we've now seen a correction, a 3-wave move down into a support region, which is basically still unchanged between 1.8 cents and 1.1 cents. And then from here, the expectations are for one more rally. That rally would be a 5th wave. Okay, it would be a 5th wave, and that 5th wave should target ideally this area around 4.3 cents. And it should be a 5-wave move. Now, what exactly the micro count will be, we will have to see. But it currently looks as if the market at least is trying to form a first higher low. It's trying to bottom out, but so far we've only seen lower highs. So it needs definitely a higher high and a higher low. We need a break above this green resistance line, and that's actually at 2.15 cents. It's basically a breakout line. A break above that could send us into the area to test the April highs. We have 2 previous swing highs here around 2.6 cents. And then from there we can carry on, travel towards that 3-cent mark and then towards 4.3. I mean, that's the expectation. Very simple, actually. At the moment, it's possible that this wave 4 is over. Not guaranteed. Could still use the entire area down to 1.1 cents. In fact, an ideal target for a 4th wave is often the 38.2 retracement. And that's at 1.38 cents. Okay, and that's the ideal, let's call it the first ideal target normally. But if it's just a sideways correction, we may never get there. So it's not a must. It's just, what is ideal. And therefore I wouldn't be surprised if the price still gets there, but it doesn't have to. So as long as this last swing low is holding the 1st of May low at 1.53 cents, you could say that the correction, at least it can be counted complete. It's all a matter of perspective, so we can take the assumption, or at least take the perspective, okay, the correction can be counted as complete, so the low might be in. The problem is it's only a WXY pattern. WXY can't be trusted, so we need additional evidence like a breakout, especially a break above these April highs and so on. So we can't really trust it. We could take the perspective that we assume it's finished, but still need to be on the side of caution, because another low cannot be ruled out at this stage. But overall, as soon as this 5th wave is done, let me zoom out, there will be the opportunity for another 4-5 pattern, okay? But it's absolutely possible that the cyclical top will be formed here, and then, it's just a 3-wave top. So that's going to be a critical level. The easy money will be done here. Will be nice to have another 4-5, not guaranteed. Could take different shapes. It's even possible that this is just a large ABC. What happens after a large ABC is always uncertain in Elliott wave. Could be that it's forming a large A. Okay, ABC and A. We do a large B. So there will be probably the preferred scenario that we're going to track for a 4th wave pullback. But if that support area breaks, we're dealing with a B wave, which can come down deeper. If that breaks as well, bear market, here we go. Okay, it will depend to a degree on Bitcoin as well. We will have to see where we are in the cycle then. But for now, let's see if we can hold support, which at the moment it looks like, and then if we can get to that 4.3 cent level. That's my update about Jasmy. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.